Hi there, my name is Gabby. Welcome to my channel. This is my playlist for lazy cooking tips that you can use when you're too tired to cook and you want to have a good meal for your family, for your friends, for yourself. Well, I am going to show you how. First of all, we're going to have to start boiling some water. We're going to use another pan for the meat. We're going to buy any frozen meatball or any other type of meat that you want and any other type of brand. We're gonna have to use also some tomato sauce. I use organic pizza sauce, and because I like it very much, I love the taste. We're gonna add some cheese. Again, it can be vegan, it can be any brand and any type you want. And we're gonna have to buy the pasta, of course. I like to add some olive oil just so it can sizzle right there, and you don't have to. I am gonna put some sauce, a little bit, so it can like blend in. Here we go, putting the frozen meatballs. I'm gonna add some water, just a little bit. If you like, you can cut the spaghetti in half so it won't be so long. This is optional, I just like doing this. Now we're gonna boil it, and now we're gonna put some sauce, some delicious sauce in here. Let's add some cheese, any cheese you want. Now it's ready. Well, I am guilty of putting a little bit of adobo. I am Latina, so it is in my DNA to do this, sorry. So now we're gonna serve the spaghetti. I hope my kid likes it. Something very simple. I'm not used to doing this, but hey, I was too tired. So if you guys have disposable plates, that could do as well. This is the Parmesan dried cheese. You can do this as well, and you can add now the meat. Here we go with the meat. You can add some bananas, some salad, anything else you want, like in additional, so it won't be so plain. We added the Capri Sun right there, and let's see if my kid really likes it. The other two, I'm not gonna be filming them today because they weren't in the mood, but yeah, he loves it. He loves it. So guys, this is the lazy cooking tip to make spaghetti. So there you have it, guys. My kids loved the spaghetti. It's something very simple. You can buy all the ingredients basically already made in the supermarket, like the frozen meatballs, the sauce, spaghetti, pasta, everything you can find in the supermarket. It is very cheap to do, and you can serve it to a lot of people, and some people won't even know you didn't do it from scratch. So there's a tip that you can do when you're like super rushed, if you work, or if you're just a stay-at-home mom that is overwhelmed with trying to make the perfect dinners. Something very simple, very practical that anyone can do. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want me to do any other video of a lazy cooking tip about a certain food, you can leave it in the comment down below. And thanks for watching. Bye.